All right, we're live. Your ID looks really cool, Mr. Mojo. Thank you, Bug. Yeah, this is NeoVim, and I riced it a little bit, made it black and have cool colors, and then I also made this black, dark mode for life. I should probably like export this so people can use it if they want. I don't know how to do that. All right. How's the progress of the game going? Good. Yesterday, were you on yesterday or were you the day before? I can't remember. Well, we can look at it anyway. Basically, my artist put a trail effect on this hat, so it looks a little fancier. Yes, yesterday. Okay. So you might have seen our code review where we went over these effects. So that was good. I actually don't really get a lot of time to work on this project because I have work and a family, so it's really just in the mornings that I get to work on this. Okay, so we're looking at today we're looking at the loopable. So the loopable is what makes us go through the wall like that, which is very fancy. It's also smoke and mirrors. And I need to figure out a better way to do this. because it is not extendable. It's literally like every time I make a thing that needs to go through the wall, I have to like redo it. So I think I'm gonna do just a generic scene called a loopable. Oh, crap. You got this. Thanks, man. Okay, here's the real question. Is every loopable just gonna have one child? Oh no, it's not gonna have a child. I'm gonna have to drag it in. Oh wait, but I already did that. Okay, we're good. Oh crap. Okay. So basically every ready function has this. All right, viewport is not here. When will this game be on Steam? No, we're really targeting only a couple months. And there's a few reasons for that. So for one thing, we don't want to get hung up on a game jam game for like years. We'd rather like game jam game. Like, I don't want to get into the habit of like, I make a game jam game, I really like it, we had a lot of fun working together, and then I'm just stuck on that for a few years. So that's one reason. The other reason is that puzzle games don't do well on Steam. And so, like, as much as we are excited about this game and we really want to get something out there, make a little money, puzzle games are not very marketable on Steam. And so we are, risking it a little bit. And so because of that, we're just going to make, a somewhat small puzzle game. Okay, so now the last thing to do is call. Okay, so I'm overriding call. Oh, they don't do well. Interesting. Good to know. It's just, I mean, me and our artist have been listening to way too many podcasts, probably. But basically, yeah, puzzle games are very saturated and not very marketable. Like, Steam just doesn't seem to like them as much. And then the next one is like puzzle platformers. That one's like also a pretty saturated market. Because the games are fun, and they're also fun to make. But then, you know, it's yeah, there's just way too many of them, I guess. All right, so let's look up variant call. What is this? Oh, it's just var arg. How do I do that? How do I declare that? What's up, Mojo? How are you doing today? Good. How are you? I don't know how to do this. How do I make a call? Let's see. We'll have to look it up. Array or dictionary? I'm doing great. My game entered beta yesterday, so life is good. Wow. What game are you working on? Oh yeah, it's just an array. Okay, that makes sense. Oh. The parent signature is just string name. Okay. Ah. It's a 2D puzzle platformer, nothing major lol, but it still feels good to make progress. Yeah. I actually really love puzzle platformers. So yeah, definitely tell me. I mean, I guess, do you want to say the name? Do you want me to look it up, or are you trying to, I don't know, keep it to yourself? I'm distributing it by torrents, so I don't know if you would feel comfortable downloading it, and it's not online per se. Got it. Very interesting. Are you in a country that has a hard time putting things on Steam, or what's going on there? Torrents are spooky. 2 bodies, 1 mind. You control 2 characters at once. That's very cool. My brother's making a game kind of like that right now. I'm just tired of large platforms. Well, yeah, I mean, that's a good point. Did y'all find out about my channel because of the Pirate Software video? Nope. Steam page 1. Cool. And then I did. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, basically the winds of song says yes. Yeah, so I'm actually like pretty bad at explaining myself on the stop killing games thing. But yeah, I mean, big platforms are definitely culprits in killing games, right? Like Steam, when you release a game on Steam, it tells you like you're giving them a license to give a license. And so in theory, your Steam library could just go away one day. So that is pretty cool that you're trying to distribute actual copies of the game. Shout out to Night Owl. Can't untorrent a torrent, though. It would live forever. Yep. We'll see how it goes. How did the level manager turn out? It was great. Let me show you real quick. So basically, is it this? No. Where is it? I guess I don't have that set up. Okay. So basically, we have this level system. This is going to be a global. So globals, we got a level system. And so what happens is, you know, it sets you to a default, whatever. But then we got this array of levels and a level res. I don't know why it's saying it can't find it because it's right here. We're going to have 3 worlds in our game, I think. That's the idea, at least. 3 worlds. And then each world will have like 20 levels, something like that. And so simple functions, go to level and go to next level. Make it so that I got rid of a ton of useless code, basically. Because before, what we had was every scene has a goal, and the goal fires off a signal on level complete. And before we had this like level, and actually we still have this level. So every level has to inherit from this class. But this class used to have a lot more stuff in it that would do a lot more things. But now it just has to call... Oh, in fact, I can get rid of this. It literally just has to call go to next level. Actually, maybe we could even just get rid of this and put that in the goal. We don't need to... Whatever, but this forces us to do something. And, yeah, and then like level 0, for example. Boom. This script is tiny now. It used to be a lot bigger. And, yeah, like, it works. So, this takes me to level 0. This takes me to level 1. And then, yeah, you like moving it to the goal to be a good option. Yeah, I think that's maybe what we'll do eventually. But Where's the kicker? There's something I was going to point out. Shoot, what was I going to point out? Oh, yeah. In the level system scene, we've got this array of levels. We can just drag them back and forth now, so we can reorder them. We're gonna have to change the way we name levels so that they won't have the number in them. They'll have like maybe like level with 2 levers and 5 walls or something. I don't know. And or we could name them like Greek gods or something. Like just come up with some sort of naming scheme so that we can recognize them internally and then reorder them if we need. So if this level ends up being easier than that one, we can just move them around. It's kind of the idea. So that turned out being really nice. I had a lot of fun making it. All right, this is going to be an array of variant, I think. Ooh, almost put a semicolon in there. Goodness. Looks really convenient. And honestly, that's more important than a lot of other things. Yeah. Yeah, it was very inconvenient before. There were like, I think like 7 steps to making a new level. Now there's like 1. I think there's literally 1, maybe 2 steps. Alright, so now there's loop call. Oh. Let's try this out in the player. Is this gonna... Oh, it's not gonna work. Ah, I'm dumb. Oh. This is supposed to be a node 2D. Did I make it a node? No? Cannot use simple export annotation. I think it's just... I think my LSP might be down again. Yeah, okay. We're going to put this at the top. So now... Animate is not the correct function name. What is it? Is it just play? Play. Maybe I chose the wrong one to try this on. You like this called the Hattering? Yep. We almost called the game Hattering. Do I need to change facing? Like flip H is technically a function, so this will be loopable dot loop call set facing, no, set flip, what was it? Set flip H. An array of value. Oh no, it's called sprite, isn't it? Or is it? Oh, it's player sprite. Okay. Let's try that out now. Non-existent function. Okay. Oh yeah. That's right. It's because on the player, there we go. We need to do that. On a okay. Where's this? Add loopable. Okay. Temp, yeah, all right. Loopables dot append, yeah. Got it. Invalid type in function play via call. Cannot convert argument 2 from array to string name. Argument 2, okay. So let's see. Okay. Cannot convert argument 2 from array to string name. Dang it. Good morning. How is today's dev session going? It's tough. I'm trying to make an extendable system that can be used by anything, and it's not going very well. Maybe I'll do a callable. Callbacks might be a little bit easier here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, because the problem here is that they're not actually args. A challenge to start the day, shake off the brain rot. Lol. Yep. In a comma separated list. Yeah, let's see if I can do this. GDScript convert array to var args. Is that C sharp? And C sharp. Okay. Let's call V. Ah. What the? Never heard of call V. Okay, nice. I think that'll solve my problem. Aha! Alright, let's see. It's working. Okay. Look at that. Maybe. The light occluder is not... Oh no, the light occluder is working. I was just standing in the wrong spot. Boom. Sweet. Alright. Oh, it's the sprite. The sprite is in the wrong location. Wait, the character is VI, not V. Oh, okay. I actually totally just missed a bunch of chats. Sorry. Challenge start. Okay. Godot devs are Arcane fans. Proof, not clickbait. Okay. I mean, Vi's my girl, so can't deny anything. Players there. Sprite is there. Maybe. Do I need the loopable to be the same? Okay, I think I need the loopable to have the same transform as the sprite. So we'll do this. No. -16. Yeah, so we'll do position -16. I think that'll fix. Rhea Ripley is the IRL equivalent to Vi. Rhea Ripley. I've never heard that name. WWE. Oh, I apologize to WWE fans. I'm not one. But that's impressive. Okay, so it's the... Nope, the sprite... Oh, did I even run it again? Yeah, the sprite's still messed up. This is incorrect. So let's try this. That, and then do this? What does that look like? That fixes it. There we go. Okay. Very nice. Okay. Oh, let's make sure, like, restart. It's all good. Nice. Okay, loopable is working. Let's do the loopable light occluder now. Oh, also... Oh no, this is... Yeah, okay. This is good. I'm luckily not calling anything on the light occluder, so I don't need to include that. I just need to do that, and it should work. It's off again! Dang it. Alright, so this is -16, I'm assuming. Yep. And then, oh crap. I went in the room. Yep, the light occluder is, in fact, loopable. Nice. So next is to do the Hatterang. So the Hatterang needs the sprite to be looped and the light. Okay. Functionality, Chef's Kiss. Yeah, this is so annoying that all of this gets pulled in every time. I think I just need to reset it like this. Yeah, there we go. Hattering Anim Sprite. I wonder why we're doing that. Okay. Loopable Sprite. We'll have this. And we'll just look at that for now. What was it called? Anim Sprite. Oh, that's weird. We were calling the animation on the sprite itself. Does that mean it's broken right now? No. Is it in the process? Oh, it's in fly, which I'm going to assume is in process. Yeah, this is, yeah, okay. We're just lucky that that's working. Because it moves too fast to be able to see the bug there. Okay. So now we will do Hattering Sprite will be a loopable. And it'll be that. Okay, facing. We'll go back to the player. We'll steal this facing code. Maybe we can do facing later. Ooh. The playlist has moved on. That is not DMCA free. We are going to restart this playlist. Whoa, it's 75k views. I had to stop looking. It was messing with my head. $65k maybe? Let's see. Yeah, that's so crazy. 13,000 watch hours. I think I'm gonna do a video reading some of the funny hate comments on it. That's pretty funny. Remember to like Mojo's streams while they're live. It pleases the algorithm. Yeah, like and subscribe. I gotta remember to say that. I'm a YouTuber now. Okay. So facing, okay. This will not be player sprite, it'll be Hattering sprite. So this will now be just facing. Visible. I can still call visible on it because I added that to the loopable. Alright, no idea why so many people Madge. Anyone can make a video about whatever they want. Yeah! Have you came out of the YouTube closet to your parents yet? Or is that a future problem? I have not told my parents, but I have told them that I have been making video games. I mean, I have a chill family. It's not that I haven't told them because I don't want to. It's just I haven't seen them yet this week. I'll see them tomorrow though. Or no, I'll see them Saturday. My wife's been telling literally everyone we see They're like, did you know that you're in the presence of a celebrity? And it makes me just die of cringe a little bit. Oh, I hate it. Parents aren't the problem, it's the wife. Yep. It's getting too wholesome up in here. Just kidding. I love it. I'm getting called out for blushing. Global position. And before first member emote is Mojo flustered. I can appreciate people just wanting to live their own life, you know? A little proud of you for literally having free will. Yeah. Member emotes. Yeah, I don't even know how to do that yet. I gotta learn all the stream and YouTube stuff. Okay, that's it. That was all the Hattering animated sprites. Favorite game is hard, but I love Super Mario Odyssey, Stardew Valley, and Celeste. I mean, you know I love those games too. Is it gonna compile? Whoa. See if it loops. It loops. Looks like I've made a pretty robust loopable system. It's just working first try now. Have you two played Terraria together? Actually, we did try playing Terraria. We had some friends that were playing it, but life was a little too busy to join them. They had like a server and stuff. I'm super down to try. I'm sure it's a game I would love because I'm a huge Minecraft guy, big Stardew guy. I feel like it's definitely my type of game. I don't know why I haven't tried it out more seriously, I guess. FX animate anim sprite. How was this being used? It's real fun as two-player game, but playing with pros can be rough. I don't know if they were considered pros. They just had a lot more time than us, and so they were just like off doing stuff, and we were just dying in the house to zombies and stuff. Which I think was a little more punishing than Minecraft personally. I play Minecraft with tons of people, and they don't have issues, even though I have way more time in the game. Is this even being used? What are the animations? Trail? I don't even know what this is. Shoot. Yeah, character progression sync. Yeah, that's yeah, good point. Yeah, we should try it again on the stream. Sure. Patrick, but smart. Yo. I would be down to watch a gaming stream. How's the deving going? It's going great. I just created a loopable system. Oh, I should probably hop off soon though. I created this system here that's extendable to any type of Node 2D, which basically I'm not going to get too into the weeds of it. But basically, I need to take elements of my game and copy them a bunch, and for them to stay in sync. And the theme of the game jam was loop. Hey Mojo, hey chat, what's up? So the theme of the game jam was loop, so I called this thing a loopable. Let's see. Where did I get to? Hattering. There's this hat effects sprite that I am struggling with. Was it just the visibility that changes? Maybe that's what it is. Oh, GMTK. Yep, we did the GMTK game jam. And our team loved working together. And we came up with a pretty cool concept here. I gotta link that in the chat again. We have not updated this, so this is the buggy game jam version of it. But we were super pleased with it, and so the team said, "Hey, let's keep working together." So we're gonna work on it, add some more levels, fix all the bugs, and publish it on Steam. Hopefully it won't take too long. How big was your team? We had 4 people. It was me, my wife, my brother, and my buddy, who's an artist. And so me, my wife, and my brother, we did the dev side, and my brother did the music. I did the merge conflicts. That's what I keep saying I added to the team. Yeah, it's a really small team, but really good team. Okay, I need to look for the visible. Yeah, I should put that in the link. Put that link in the description, huh? Fair plays. My game idea was to make an interactive fiction where your choices don't actually matter, but the more you play, the more the narrator finds out the game sucks. What? This was for the loop because it's gonna like come back around. Was this for the game jam, or are you saying that you have made this game? Game idea. Yes, that sounds. I actually like those kinds of ideas. They're really unique and funny, very creative. I do not have the creativity like that. Once you beat the game, you barely miss the dragon or unicorn, according to text. So the narrator says something like, if we go again, I'll stop distracting you, so you can go faster and see the creature. Alright, let's see if this FX anim sprite is working. Looks like it's working. Does it work looped? Did that work? I can't tell. I think it's... Maybe I'm doing it from the wrong angle. Oh, crap. Yeah, it's definitely working. Well, let's make sure, is the trail working? Nice. Okay. Last thing is the light. Which I think will just work right off the bat. Because it's just a light... Wait, what was it? Light 2D. It's just one of these. Just glows. Oh, interesting. It's just an add light. Okay. So as long as the hat looks the same. Oh, is that? I think it's working. What if I turn it off? I'm going to assume that's working. All right. Well, look, okay. I gotta hop off. All right. Thanks for joining. This chat's awesome. I'll be back on tomorrow morning.